how to find banned people and pages on your page on Facebook app, easy and quick. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find your banned pages and people on your page or Facebook app. First thing, go to your Facebook, click on it. Now click on those three lines to go to your page. Click on your page, and here all you need to do is click on the setting icon beside the search icon and choose people and other pages. Click on it, and here you're gonna find those options. Click on banned people and pages, and here you're gonna find your results. You're gonna find a list of people banned from this page. Easy and quick. Hope this video was helpful to you guys. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and like.